department, DBS IT, Kavali. Today I am going to discuss about the design pattern subject, unit 5. Coming to the topic, state design pattern. In this is state design pattern. This state design pattern comes under the behavioral design pattern, and in this we having some classifications. Coming to the first classification, that is intent. So intent is nothing but it tells the meaning of the design pattern, and it also tells the problems or any solution, whatever the problems occurred in the design pattern. That is called the meaning of the intent. In this intent of state design pattern, intent has some definition about the state pattern. So if you see the intent, the state pattern is design pattern that allows an object to completely change its behavior depending upon its current internal state. It means the state pattern allows an object to alter its behavior when its internal state changes. Okay, it means if you see a small image, we can understand very easily what is the definition of the intent of the state design pattern. If you see a small image, in this I have a client here, the client, and I have the context object. In this context object, I am maintaining some internal information, or you can say current internal state information. So this client will provide the request to the context object. In the context object, whatever the internal or current state of information is available, that will be performed as an operation A. Okay. So suppose if the context object, suppose if the internal state is changes as state B. So if the state is in internal state of information in the context object is state B, if the client send the request to the context object, the context object will be perform the state B operation. It means operation B will be occur here. Okay, na? Operation B will be occur. It means whatever the information, so the communication is based on the internal state, the behavior of the context object will be different. The behavior of the context object will be different. In this case, the context object internal state is A, the operation will be become A. If the context object internal state of information is B, the context object will be, operation will be performs B. This like the communication will be occur here. This is called the intent. Okay. Now coming to motivation. So in the motivation I have small image here. So by seeing this image we will explain about the state design pattern. So in this I am having the TCP connection. We are considering a TCP connection, and this is called a class. This TCP connection that represents a network connection, and a TCP connection object can be in one of the several different states. Like these are the several different states we are having: TCP established, TCP listen, and TCP closed. Okay, when a TCP connection object receives this TCP connection object receives request from other objects, it responds differently depending on its current state. For example, the open request we are having, and closed request and acknowledgement. So if the open request depends on whether the connection is in its closed state, the connection is in closed state, or we can say established state, the state pattern describes how the TCP connection can exhibit different behavior in each state. Here TCP state acts as a abstract class, and it acts as a common interface for all the classes, and in this we are having some subclasses, that is TCP established, TCP listen, and TCP closed. So these are the different types of subclasses we are having in this motivation diagram of the state design pattern. So if the connection changes, the TCP connection object changes. Okay, when the connection goes from established to closed, then the close operation will be performed. So it means whatever the current internal state is there, that information only we are going to maintain. So this is called the state design pattern. Okay. Next, coming to the applicability. Okay. Applicability. Applicability is nothing but in which situation we are going to use the state design pattern. That is called applicability. An object behavior depends on its state and it must change its behavior at runtime depending on that state. That is called the applicability. Next, coming to the structure. So structure, I have the diagram. In this I have contest. In this contest having the request, and this is the state we can handle. It acts as a state is nothing but it acts as a TCP state. In previous diagram we told that TCP state we are having, that state will act as an interface to all the common classes. So here commonly it acts as an interface to all the classes. That is called the state here, and it will handle everything, whatever the request or whatever the communication is occurred, that can be handled by the state. Okay, next coming to the concrete state A and concrete state B, and these are the two types of subclasses we are having, like TCP established, TCP closed, and TCP listen. These are the different types of subclasses we are having here. So if we select the current state of information is state A, concrete state A, our operation will be performed, and whatever the internal state of information we have selected, that information will be performed as a operation. If you select the concrete state B, it will be performed. Okay, that like the communication will be occur here. So whatever the communication will be occur here, whatever the current state we are selecting, that state is that information is given to the interface, and the interface is given to the context, and context will be perform the operation. So this like the communication will be occurred in this structure. Coming this, we are having some participants. If you see the participants, let's come into the participants. So participants is depends on the structure. Okay. So first participant is, if you talk about the first participant is nothing but contest. Okay, contest. So here contest is nothing but TCP connection. Okay, if you see the previous image, in that we have the TCP connection. TCP connection is nothing but contester. Contest is what is the use of contest here? It defines the interface to the client. So that is called contest. Next, coming to the next participant is state. Okay, state. Why we are using the state? State is nothing but TCP state. In the previous image we are having the TCP state. What is the use of state? It acts as a interface for all encapsulating the behavior with particular state of context. That is called the state. So next, third one is concrete state. Next state is a concrete state. So it is called TCP established, TCP listen, TCP close. These are the different subclasses. Okay, now this is called the subclasses. Okay, so this subclasses is nothing but each subclass implements a behavior associated with a state of the contest. So these are the different participants occur in the state design patterns.